Scot Forge, America's most progressive open die and rolled ring forge shop, is your complete one-stop forge shop. As a one-stop shop for metal open die and rolled ring forgings, Scot Forge offers an extensive array of high-quality forged parts, materials, and in-house services. We provide solutions to just about any forging requirement, minimizing costs and lead times, while offering the convenience of single-source responsibility. Scot Forge has earned an international reputation for high-quality products, workmanship, and a level of customer service unmatched in the industry. With over 100 years' experience, we've produced forgings for virtually every metalworking industry. Our diverse offerings include open die forgings in a large variety of shapes, including bars, spindles, hollows, blanks, rings, hubs, and unusual shapes, rectangular and profiled rolled rings, and a variety of in-house secondary services, including sawing, machining, heat treating, torch cutting, and testing. Pride in our work is reinforced through our employee stock ownership plan.
As employee owners, we have a stake in the future of Scot Forge, so we want to provide the finest quality, care, and craftsmanship because everything we do reflects back on us. At Scot Forge, we believe that our customers' success is our success.
Scot Forge is a company that's constantly investing in new equipment, improving our facilities. We're always striving to keep the leading edge in technology. Ownership teaches us to expand our view beyond the next paycheck and look toward the future.
Just one call to Scot Forge provides access to an infinite variety of forged parts. Customized equipment and creative operating techniques at each of our specialty facilities enable us to produce forged products that conform to your exact requirements. Scot Forge runs 3 production plants, each with its own unique forging specialties and processing methods. We also represent 3 other manufacturing companies: Ring Masters in Wayne, Michigan, North American Forge Masters in Newcastle, Pennsylvania, and Frisa in Monterrey, Mexico, which complement and enhance our overall forging abilities. Together, these 6 facilities represent the largest network of quality resources available from a single source. High-quality forgings start with high-quality material. Scot Forge maintains a vast inventory of carbon, alloy, stainless, copper, and other ferrous and non-ferrous material in order to respond quickly to customer requirements. As the nation's largest purchaser of bottom-poured ingots, Scot Forge works with melt shops supplying the strongest, cleanest materials available. The diverse capabilities of these shops allow us to offer custom melt materials uniquely suited to your application. For manufacturing open die forgings, Scot Forge operates 7 steam hammers which produce parts from 5 to 3,000 pounds and 6 hydraulic open die presses capable of producing forgings to 80,000 pounds. Scot also operates a planishing mill used to produce tartan bars, a unique bar product in sizes from 6 inches to 16¼ inches diameter. These bars have forged sound centers and a rolled bar surface with minimum stock allowance. We also operate 5 ring mills that allow us to offer single-piece or high-volume quantities of rectangular or profiled rolled rings up to 240 inches OD, 49 inches face height, and in weights up to 60,000 pounds. This forging equipment is supported by over 30 furnaces, ranging from small specialty furnaces to those capable of heating 1 million pounds at a time. In addition, over a dozen mobile manipulators capable of lifting up to 100,000 pounds transport the hot workpiece between the furnaces and presses.
Our flexibility allows us to use the most cost-effective way to produce your forging. All that capacity acts like a big insurance policy to protect your delivery. What makes Scot Forge unique is the combination of forging technology created by our own engineers and the creative approach to problem solving used by our forge master and sales team.
In addition to forging, Scot Forge offers extensive in-house secondary processing. Each Scot Forge plant houses its own specialty heat treat department. We utilize 5 custom-designed special-purpose quench tanks in over 24 furnaces to anneal, normalize, quench and temper, or stress relief parts to exact specification. Rings to 240 inches OD and bar-shaped parts to 52 feet long are accommodated. Our in-house rough machining capabilities are quite extensive. Over 60 CNC and manual machining centers are available for turning, milling, and boring parts to 588 inches long or up to 288 inches OD. Any combination of round, square, or flat dimensions, concentric or eccentric configurations, and tapers or custom shapes can be achieved. We frequently combine torch cutting, sawing, and machining techniques with the forging process to produce uniquely shaped parts.
We've actually become shape masters, offering forgings in sizes and shapes never before thought possible. This allows us to compete effectively with alternate metalworking processes while providing a superior product.
Scot Forge also maintains a comprehensive certified metallurgical test laboratory that supports production, quality control, and research and development. Some of our testing capabilities include mechanical, impact, and fracture toughness testing, in-house and field metallographic analysis, chemical analysis, and hardness testing. As an ISO 9002 manufacturer, Scot Forge operates under a stringent ABS certified quality assurance program and is also Lloyd's Registry and D&V approved. Our quality assurance procedures include complete material traceability with 100% portable optical emission spectrometer testing performed on both incoming material and outgoing product. We also perform comprehensive non-destructive testing as required to ensure conformance to customer specifications. Our strict practices and strong emphasis on problem prevention and process improvement enable us to maintain outstanding customer acceptance rates of over 99.5% on product quality. Scot Forge's strong dedication to customer satisfaction is also evident by the numerous programs and resources we offer. For example, our proactive partnership program helps our customers discover ways to produce high-quality products less expensively using the forging process. This unique program identifies forging solutions for reducing processing costs, minimizing waste, or for replacing more expensive alternative metalworking processes.
The unique aspect of this program is that it's custom designed around the needs of the individual customer, and the ultimate goals are very simple: to reduce long-term costs and cut lead times.
Our Specialty Alloy Services Group works with high-strength, corrosion-resistant, and high-conductivity alloys. These materials include the superaustenitic and duplex stainlesses, along with copper, nickel, aluminum, and other non-ferrous alloys. Our objective is to provide forging solutions through technical assistance and customized material selection. By focusing on these specialty materials, we work towards providing improved part performance and longer field life.
Technical support and assistance, guaranteed delivery programs, and breakdown production availability are other services we offer. We work hard to see that forgings reach our customers on time and meet all specifications. And our knowledgeable sales staff assists customers in finding creative solutions to their forging needs, in addition to providing fast quotations, answers to inquiries, and order assistance.
Thanks to our loyal customers, Scot Forge has grown into a large organization with extensive resources. We've accomplished this because of a dedicated workforce who understands what customer service really means. We're a one-stop shop that we believe you will find easy to work with and worthy of your business.
A single call to Scot Forge gives our customers one-on-one access to the widest range of products, services, and facilities in the forging industry. That's our one-stop forge shop promise.